What are common grammar mistakes in essays? Imagine trying to read a story where sentences jump around or words are out of place. That's what happens when essays have common grammar mistakes. These errors can make your writing confusing and less convincing. Knowing what to watch out for can help you write clearer essays and do better on exams. One common mistake is sentence fragments. These are incomplete sentences that don't have a subject or a verb. For example, writing "because I was tired" leaves the reader hanging. It's not a full thought. To fix this, you need to connect it to a complete sentence like "because I was tired, I went to bed early." Another mistake is run-on sentences and comma splices. These happen when to complete ideas are joined without proper punctuation or with just a comma. For example, "I finished my essay, I forgot to proofread it" is a run-on. It can be corrected by adding a period or a conjunction. "I finished my essay, I forgot to proofread it." Or "I finished my essay, but I forgot to proofread it." Misplaced and dangling modifiers are also common. A misplaced modifier is a word or phrase that's not close enough to what it describes. For example, "exhausted from studying, the book was closed" makes it seem like the book is tired. The correct way is "exhausted from studying, the student closed the book." Dangling modifiers happen when the modifier has no clear subject. Faulty parallelism is when items in a list don't follow the same grammatical pattern. For example, "She likes reading to jog and cooking" should be "she likes reading, jogging, and cooking." Using the same for makes sentences easier to read. Pronoun errors happen when it's unclear what a pronoun refers to or when the case is wrong. For example, "When Sarah talked to Jane, she was upset" is confusing because "she" could be Sarah or Jane. Clarify by saying "Jane was upset when Sarah talked to her." Also, using "I" instead of "me" in phrases like "between you and I" is wrong. It should be "between you and me." Verb tense mistakes are common too. Switching from past to present tense without reason confuses the timeline. For example, "Yesterday I walked to school and see my friend" should be "yesterday I walked to school and saw my friend." Keeping the same tense throughout your sentence makes your meaning clear. Mixing up words like lay and lie is another frequent error. Lay means to put something down, while lie means to recline. Saying "I laid down" is correct if you put something down, but if you mean to rest, it should be "I lie down." Using words like always or never too much can weaken your argument. These words are extreme and often not true. Instead, use moderate language to sound more believable. Finally, avoid slang or informal words in essays. Words like "ain't" or "can't hardly" are not appropriate for academic writing. Use proper words to keep your tone serious and professional. To improve your test-taking skills, always proofread your essay. Read sentences aloud to catch mistakes or awkward phrasing. Use parallel structure when listing ideas. Keep your verb tenses consistent. And clarify pronouns by repeating nouns if needed. By paying attention to these common grammar mistakes and practicing these tips, your essays will be clearer and more effective. This will help you communicate your ideas better and increase your chances of success on exams.